Hi, my name is Mohamed Azim bin Abdul Karim. My matrix number is 73244. I will be presenting my final year project. My final year project title is Queue Management System. Firstly, I would like to explain on what is a queue. A queue is a line of people waiting for their turn into getting a service. Generally speaking, a queue occurs when arrivals rate exceeds service rate. Therefore, people have to wait for the services in a queue. Correspondingly, a queue management system is a system that is used to manage a queue. A proper queue management system can help to reduce a queue length, average waiting time, dropout rate, and optimize the usage of the resources. By proposing this queue management system, it can help to overcome the queuing problem. Next, I will talk about the problem statement of this project. The first problem statement is, in the current circumstances, customers cannot perform any other task while physically present in the queue as required by the place. Obviously, customers are not allowed to leave the place during the waiting time. They will need to stay in the place to wait for the service. As can be observed, this is a waste of the customer's time, since they could be doing something more productive than waiting around and ideally wasting their valuable time. The second problem statement is, in the present queuing situation, there is a machine and a lot of papers being used for printing and the queuing number for queuing. As a matter of fact, the existing queue management system are too complicated and expensive. Consequently, the high operation and entry costs keep all the business services providers away. However, with a good queue management solution, even small businesses can enjoy certain level of business optimization. So, the first objective of this project is to reduce physical queuing, thus can save space and congested area and allow the customers to leave the place of the service provider and eventually save their time. In other words, the customers will be able to do their own things instead of wasting their time on waiting. Besides that, they will be informed when the requested service is available and go back to the place and get the service by checking the turn of their own number. The second objective of this project is to improve a queue management system which is comprehensive, low cost, and suitable for all the organizations and businesses. For the purpose of the improve their business processes, help them to manage their business better and provide a better service to the customers. Next, what are the contributions can be made from this project is, first, save the time of the customers by free them up from queuing area. In this case, the customers will be able to make a use of the waiting time instead of wasting it on waiting. The second is facilitate and improve the business process of the service providers. This system can help a small business service providers to manage their queue and facilitate the queuing process. In this way, they will have a chance to serve a more customer and improve their services. Then, as you can see, the system overview is shown in the figure. The system is separated into two parts, which are client side and server side. Moreover, the server used in the system is a cloud server. Therefore, this system is a fully cloud-based solution, as the server and the database both are on the cloud. Furthermore, the client side consists of two groups of target users. One is the user service providers and another one is customer of the service providers. In this project, HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript will be used to develop a client-side web page. HTML5 is a markup language which can be used to create the structure of the web page, and CSS can be used for the web page design. Moreover, the JavaScript will be used to create the dynamic web page to allow the users interact with the web page. Besides that, the cloud Firebase is used to store the data of the system, which is the database. As you can see, I'm using Firebase as my database because the cloud Firebase is a scalable and no SQL database system no matter how many users come in the same time. Besides that, it allows the system to get the real-time update from the database. In other words, it allows the data synchronization across all the client applications. Furthermore, it also offers an online support. and offline support as well. Here you can see this is the QR code for the customers need to be scanned in order for the customers to visit the main page of the queue management system. Then to proceed with making a registration, customers are required to register by fill up the required details, which is the username, age and the phone number. Within this page, customers will find an option to register for queuing. Once the customer have registered on the page, they can access to the home page for the queuing process. So once customer have registered on the page, they can access the home page for the queuing process. When the customer has reached to the home page, the customer's queuing number will be displayed, and the customer also will be able to see the current number of queuing, as you can see on the figure. Last but not least, in conclusion, a proper queue management system that can save time of the customers is really needed. By freeing them up from the queuing area and inform them the expected waiting time will help the people to get off from the queue, or inform them when the service is ready is needed for all the service providers. Furthermore, this system is affordable and suitable for all the businesses service providers, as it does not require upfront investment. Moreover, the operation and entry costs of the system are affordable for all the service providers, even the small businesses as well. For the future work, this system can be improved by integrating with data analysis to help the service providers to predict the abnormal customers' arrival rate by using some statistical prediction. In this case, the system can help the service providers forecast the abnormal high or low arrival rate during certain hours or certain days. Therefore, the service providers can be well prepared for the abnormal customers' arrival rate and maximize their profits eventually. So that's all from me. Thank you.